So we present here Krishiuday, an IoT-based hydroponic system for synchronous growth of vegetables. So in this system we have prepared a climate control model. So for this, first of all, let's go to the screen. So in this screen you can see we are getting a temperature reading. It is, first of all, it will show it as the time temperature is 27, and now the temperature threshold has been set. So the loving temperature is from 27 to 33. So that's a perfect temperature for this plant to grow. Now the current temperature is 27. That's why it is showing as loving temperature. Now we will see if we exert the temperature above 33 degree, then what will happen to the system. Okay. So for this experiment, what I am doing is I am using one candle. Through this I will try to just heat up the temperature sensor. I will try to give some heat to this temperature sensor, just so that it will get the temperature higher, and then we will be able to see the effect. Okay, you can see now in the board itself the temperature will be increasing. So still it's now. Yeah, so now the temperature reading is 44. Okay, so that means it will say now that the temperature is higher and turn on the fan. And you can see the fan is getting turned on. Now, but this also depends like on various factors. Then first of all, now it will check what is the temperature right now. After that, the fan will rotate and it will again check the temperature. Suppose if it found that the temperature is too high, then it will again check the temperature, whatever is the temperature reading. If it again does not find it satisfactory, then it will again turn on the fan for 5 minutes, and that's how the fan will be turned on, and basically we are trying to exhaust the heat with whatever is inside. So instead of fan, we can also implement cooler or some kind of air conditioner mechanism just to take out the heat from inside whenever the temperature is higher. See the temperature that we have here, so it is going to be displayed here. So we have used this cold water just in the front of sensor, and the temperature is 25, which is lower the range, and you can see the heater is getting turned on when the temperature is lowered. So it is showing as temperature is lower, turn on the heater. Then it will run for the estimated time. That will say again check the temperature, turn off all. Again it will check the temperature. If it found it to be lower, then again the heater will start. So we have tested it using this cold water to reduce the temperature than the room temperature. You can see the pH reading will be displayed in this monitor. So we have now dissolved it in a solution which contain we are adding detergent to it, which is a basic solution. So the pH was 6 point something before. So right now let's see, you can see the pH value is increasing. It's 9.52. So we are adding more solution and we are diluting it, and now let's see how much it comes. You can see the value is increasing. So this is the, you can see we have two solutions here. So this is a solution with detergent. So we have already dissolved the pH sensor here, and this is a normal water that I have. So right now here the pH value will be shown, which will be above 9, because that's a pH of detergent. It is 9.79. Now we will put it into the normal water. So yes. And now we will see the changes in the pH reading. So it takes some time for calibration. You can see the pH value is decreasing slowly. So it will decrease and it will come somewhere around 7. You can see now it's 8.51, so it will decrease more. Thank you. So now we have increased the TDS value by putting some impurities, and then you can see now the water is flowing from ground to the top. So it is basically recirculating, and once it reaches certain threshold, that is, we have said that if it is less than 12 centimeter, then till that time only the water will flow. So we will see that effect right now. So the water from this tank, which we have over here, and we have a motor at that side. So that motor is draining out all the water from here, and it is taking it to the main tank. So this will happen only when the TDS
value is that particular range.